I think the main reason I don't like commuting is that it gets really claustrophobic at times, especially during rush hours. You go in and everyone's there. You can't move, you can't get to which end of the subway you want to get to. So I feel like if the TTC added more space or even more seats so people can sit down and there's more walking space to walk through, that'd be amazing.
We came up with the product Standard. This allows us to sit down anywhere and anytime. We were able to break down our goals and objectives using the acronym CAPS: comfortable, affordable, portable, and sturdy. Now, we chose our design over our alternative solutions due to its ease of uses and just overall portability and viability in this case.
This is the Standard. This is a portable telescoping stool that can be assembled and disassembled in 30 seconds. This product comprises of 3 parts: the leg assembly, the pole, and the cushion seat. In its most compact form, the Standard folds its legs up, the pole gets telescoped down, and the seat comes and wraps flush around the body. This product is unique compared to other offerings as it features the tripod-style base, which provides exceptional support and stability. Additionally, its lightweight design and modular assembly allow for a simple yet effective portable seat that can be used for many different situations.
All mine. Where did all the seats go?
I hope that you see all the different uses for the Standard. It was designed with manufacturing and setup in mind. We kept the part count as low as possible. But you can feel good about using the Standard because it was made entirely out of recycled materials, from the legs to the seat. Thank you.